What's up, Solar OGs? It's your boy, Kevin from Bella, and I want to take a moment to address a conversation I've had with probably 10 people in the last month. As everyone well knows, EVs and electric vehicles have been kind of politicized, which I think is strange. A lot of people talk about how, you might be a little less of a man if you have an electric vehicle. Now, I personally don't think of it that way. I'm kind of a big doomsday prepper. I like being self-sufficient. I like being energy independent. I like being independent altogether. I like to be able to take care of myself and my family, right? And I don't understand the love of being dependent on foreign oil. Fiscally or financially, the numbers might not be the same in the Midwest or Texas, but here in San Diego, California, I charge my car in the middle of the night for around $9. My Tesla 3 behind me. And yeah, that's a great deal no matter where you're at. I have solar. I'm completely off the grid, mostly, with my batteries. And if the world were to come crumbling down around me, there wouldn't be a problem because I'd have my Model 3 and I could charge it up with my solar. Ted Nugent, freaking Dan Crenshaw, he's a hatchet man for the New World Order. All right, let's face it, he's an elitist. But these guys talk a bunch of crap about EVs. Why is that? Would you guys rather freaking drill for oil in the Middle East, ship it all the way to a refinery, refine it, put it in another truck to a gas station, have to drive to a freaking gas station, fill up your car, and then use that gasoline once? Or would you rather charge it with solar? Guys, we all know EVs aren't made green. Have you ever heard of mining cobalt? Who gives a crap, okay? Nobody cares. Have you ever seen how internal combustion engines are made? It's no fairy tale, guys, all right? But how do we fuel it? How do we fuel these cars? And can we harvest that energy ourselves? Yes and yes. It's good all around. So guys, let's stop politicizing the whole EV thing. It's beautiful. Have you guys ever driven a freaking Tesla? Oh my God, guys, they're amazing. You can't do any better. Literally, they're beautiful cars. I will squeeze into that Model 3 and I will drive that bad boy all day over my truck. I love my truck. But guys, let's get real here. Think critically about EVs. They're beautiful. It's wonderful, amazing technology.